Alright guys, super excited. So we're leaving storage, going across the street here with our good friend Oscar from Unique Offroad here in Huntington Beach. If you guys need anything, definitely hit him up. Guys, so we are here at Unique Offroad. We're going to be changing the 16s to 17s, and we're going to be changing the KM3s to the KO2s. People used to always ask me if they were loud, and I didn't really realize it because I had the loud exhaust. But once I removed the exhaust, oh my, they are loud. Dog, if you need help, con confianza, eh? If you need help like picking it up or something, feel free to let me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright guys, so if you guys need anything, check out Unique Offroad. Bro, thank you so
No
much.
problem. Subscribe. Get this page. Let's go.
Appreciate it. Check him out, guys. And here she is. And she looks good. Oscar, Unique Offroad. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate it. Really good people. If you guys need something, definitely reach out. Need a lift, wheels, tires, anything, check them out.